This video reviews the Schwinn AC Power and Ech2G console Cycle Bar Edition assembly. Step 1. Open the bottom of the box, turn upright, and carefully lift up to remove the box. Identify the hardware card with all of the equipment fasteners on it. Step 2. With the bike still in the packaging, tilt forward and attach the rear stabilizer. Once the stabilizer is attached, tilt bike back onto its base. Step 3. Insert the seat post into the bike. Step 4. Install the handlebar post. Take caution as the post is pre-run with wiring. Step 5. Using the packaging to protect the bike, tilt the bike back on its rear and then install the front stabilizer. Do not fully tighten the front stabilizer fasteners. Step 6. Assemble the body bar holster with a 3mm Allen key to secure the holster lower bracket to the holster tubes using 4 M5 by 8mm screws and M5 washers. Step 6A. Use a 3mm Allen key to attach the lower covers to the body bar holster using 4 M5 by 25mm screws. Step 6B. Slide the body bar holster hooks onto the front forks of the bike. Note: be aware the hooks are left-right specific. When attached to the correct side, the hooks will bend slightly upward. Once the body bar holster is attached to the chassis, fully tighten the front stabilizer fasteners. Step 6C. Tech tip: the hooks are not self-retaining. To help them stay in place while installing the holster, tip the bike backward so the flywheel is facing up, then set the hooks in place. Step 7. Install the user left pedal and torque to 33 to 37 foot-pounds. Repeat for the user right side pedal. Step 8. Install the seat assembly onto the seat post. Step 9. Install the console mounting bracket onto the handlebar assembly by first removing the handlebars from the top slider. Step 9A. With the handlebars removed from the top slider, attach the console bracket and the connecting plates using the supplied hardware. Fasten the vanity cover to the bracket and then reattach the handlebars to the top slider. Step 10. Install the handlebar assembly onto the handlebar post. Step 11. Insert the two AA batteries into the 4i power meter and then verify the ANT ID on the crank. Step 12. Enter the service menu and pair the console and power meter. Pair the console before mounting to the bracket. Once the console pairing is complete, install the console onto the bracket and then mount the wire strain relief cover.